Hello friends, family and beautiful people here. I want to say welcome back to our channel. Yes guys, actually Mother's Day. All mothers in the house, intended mother, soon to become mother. Yes, God bless you. You are powerful, you are spiritually, you are highly endowed. Yes, so you are highly endowed though. I want to say God bless you. Always thank God for making you a woman. It is not a mistake. God knows the best. All right, you are a mother. Whether you have given birth, you have not given birth, even you didn't even have a child of your own, you are a mother because the traces of mother runs in you. When there is need now, the motherly role will come out. It will come out and show itself. It won't hide because it's from above. Yes, guys, my name is Mercy, and it's all about assurance solution. In this channel, there is an assurance that every recipe that you see on this channel, you put it into practice, it's going to work for you. I want you to go by that mindset. I want you to have that positive mindset that assurance covers you that this recipe is going to work for you, and watch it working. Watch it happening. Yes, guys. So my return subscribers, God bless you. You guys are really amazing. You are helping this channel to go. So those of us seeing me for the first time, joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome to our channel. In this channel, there's all solutions. Consider to subscribe to be a full part of this family. Please pardon my voice. I have a very strong cough. A bit terrible cough. I don't even know the adjective to qualify it, but the cough, that's have not been coming out often to record video. But I want you to know that control of the universe has come again with a wonderful recipe that will enable us to be packing money like sand. We pack money like sand. Akanchawa, we roll dollar, roll in dollar, we roll in money, we swim in money, we sit on money, we walk on money. Okay, we walk on favor to favor, favor to favor. Don't mind them. As men that have stolen your money, they will soon come and vomit it. They will vomit it from their mouth. Yes, guys. So this recipe is going to help you to be packing money like this. Packing money, packing money, packing money, making money, making money, 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 money in any little thing that you put on. Please work, oh, don't be idle and expect money to fall from up. Oh, na lie. Anyone wey tell you say na lie, say you go do magic, make money dey pour for your body, na lie yo. That magic na wayo, unless you wan use your blood or your manhood or your breast or your eyes. They do the sacrifice. I know they that one. This one with money go dey flow, nyafu. You go dey pack money with the work of your hands. Everything you lay your hand will prosper. Yes, guys. Somebody complain, online business. How do I make people to patronize me? And the controller of the universe decide to say, give her this recipe. So I'm sharing this wonderful recipe. So quickly, let's go into the video. What you need to do so that you can pack money like sand, because you need to do something, whether you like it or not. Number one thing, get your alligator pepper, do your cleansing from down to toe, removing every blockage from your head again down, removing every blockage, hindering you not to receive favor and money. Good. Get a container like this, a plain container like this. Write your name on a piece of paper. Your name, your surname, your mother's name. If you are Mrs. Mercy, oh boy, daughter of Elizabeth, look at how you write your name. Mercy, point arrow, surname, point arrow, mother's name. Mercy, point, put an arrow sign to your surname. After your surname, another arrow sign in between to your mother's name. So you're going to write it like that's how you're going to write the name. Okay. Let the paper be small, but you can write it like 5 times. So after you have done writing the name, okay, fold the paper to yourself. Put it in your container. This one is too big. Put it in your container like this. Next thing you're going to be needing is your bay leaf. Some people say, I don't know bay leaf. If you want bay leaf, tell me, okay? I can even give you plenty. If you want bay leaf, you order for anything, tell me, Samesa, I want bay leaf. If I have, I'll give you plenty. This is bay leaf, where they sell spices in the kitchen. You're going to get bay leaf. Take the one that is very wide. Very wide, because some are very small. I want the one that is very, very wide. This one is not as wide as this, but shall take the one that is very wide, the one that can enable you to write your name and your date of birth. Good. This one is white. Look at it. It's very white. So get a green marker. Green marker. Write your name, your date of your name, your surname, your mother's name, your date of birth, naira sign, dollar sign, euro sign, all the sign of the currency of your country. Write it on this bay leaf. Gonna get this bay leaf, 7 pieces of this bay leaf. Okay. After you have got these 7 pieces of this bay leaf, keep it. Next thing you'll be needing is your coconut water. Get this coconut, bless the coconut with your 2 hands like this. Don't use one and blow coconut. Bless coconut like this with your 2 hands. All right. It's a spiritual fruit. Bless it with your 2. After that, look for a space. Any of the soft eyes. Use your sharp objects, screwdriver, get through this knife of this coconut. You are going to put the coconut water inside this container as well that has your name. Put the coconut water inside the container. Keep this coconut. Next thing that will be going into this container is your honey. Please, original honey. Because when the angel was writing this recipe for me, he told me verbally, original honey. It must be original honey. That is the instruction. Get your original honey. All right. Get your original honey. Original honey. Open your honey. This is your honey. You're going to fill that container with your honey. The container that have your name, your coconut water, and your honey. After you have done putting your honey in that container, okay? Next thing you're going to do, to charge it with light, get 1 candle if you have candle. If you don't have candle, go to where your electricity is. Okay. Stand this thing there, pray on it. Let the wax, the heat of the light, connect to it so that you charge it. Your bay leaf, you are going to burn those bay leaf, those 7 bay leaf, burn them into ashes. Put the ash in this container. So you are putting your name, coconut water, your honey, and your bay leaf. Some go and chook their bay leaf like this. Don't chook it. When you burn bay leaf, it work faster. So burn the bay leaf and put inside this container. This one is settled. Bless it with Psalm 23, Psalm 1, Psalm 112, Psalm 121, Psalm 102 verse 13, my favorite psalm. Psalm 1, Psalm 23, Psalm 112, Psalm 102 verse 13, Psalm 121. Those are the psalms that you'll be reading inside this. You can also add Psalm 4. Psalm 4 is also very powerful. Yes. After you have done making this mixture, shake it very well. Shake it very, very well. Shake it. Oh, why I did not do this mixture for you to see is because this coconut is not mine. I borrowed it. It's not mine. So that's why if not, I would have used it and show you. I borrowed it. It's not mine. I'm returning it. So shake it vigorously. Shake it vigorously. Let me tell you. That your name that is inside this container will be attracting. It's time for your name to be attracting blessing to you. You shake it vigorously. You keep it. Your remaining coconut. That is where the war come. You're going to come out and stand in your house. Go naked. You can stay in your bathroom anywhere. You pray and tell God, every evil pot that I've used to hijack my money, every evil pot the enemy have kept my money, anyway they have kept my money under the sea, in the coven, in the tree, in the marketplace, in the bus stop, they bury it, they plant it, they tie it, they lock it in a padlock. As I smash this coconut, I break that joke, I break that padlock, I break that pot, and I command all my buried wealth to resurrect, all my buried blessing to resurrect, all my buried connection, contracts to come out, all my buried customers to come out. Okay, then after you have made it prayer, naked, you pray that prayer, then you wear your clothes. Please come out outside. If your area is conducive enough, go and break this coconut at the express. Thank God, as nobody stop the express not to move, nobody will stop my money not to come to me, nobody will stop me not to sell, make sales or whatever. You break this coconut on the express. If your house is not conducive enough, me, I break my coconut at my in my compound. There is a space. I have a space. If your house, you have a space in your compound, look for a stone. Maybe there is sand, so look for a stone. Okay, where there is stone like this, make your prayer and say, as I break this coconut, I break evil pots, I break that. You smash the coconut on the stone. Ensure that this coconut pieces. After that, buy the pieces of those coconuts, please. Throw it in the dustbin. Your prayer has been settled. Nobody can gather coconut back, so don't need to leave it. This one, pack that pieces of coconut, throw in your business. After 3 days, start using your liquid, your money drawing liquid, and start packing money inside. So when you finish doing what you are doing, just shake it very well. Touch your hand. Mercy, you pack money like sand. This week, today, you pack money like sand. You pack money like sand. You are at home, you are packing money. You are in the office, you are packing money. On the road, they are packing. Sometimes, when I stay at home, the alerts that we receive when I'm at home. And I say, it's good to remove negative energies from your home. Yes, it's good to remove negative energies from your home. If there are negative energies, you will not get alerts. But if there is no negative energies, alerts will come. Connection will be at home. Phone call will be calling. Yes. I'll pack money at home, in the office, on the road. I will pack money like sand. I'll pack money like just rub. You can also take a little. Anything you talk, maybe all this online business, I have business online. You need to talk to people. You are into customer service. You are into marketing. You need to talk. You just take small on your tongue. Anyone I talk to will listen to me, give me a listening ear, and patronize me. Please sell a good product if you are into business. Good, okay. This is how you be doing. You are a student anywhere you are. Just be doing it so that this your hand will be soaked with honey, with coconut water, with bay leaf, all of them together, and you will see money like wonder. You see. You will pack money like sand. As that is what you say. I will pack money like sand. Okay. Now, when you are about to break this coconut, please invite God Almighty, His Son, the Holy Spirit, and guardian angels to bear witness that today you are breaking that pot of poverty, and make your prayer. This is what I want to share with you. Enjoy yourself as a woman. Please enjoy yourself.